Welcome back, students. Now we will see the solved examples on the basis of area and perimeter of rectangle and square. See the first question. A door frame of dimensions 3 meter and 2 meter is fixed on the wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of the wall is rupees 2.50. So see the diagram. A door frame of dimension 3 meter by 2 meter. So this is your door and this is the rectangular wall. Now we want to paint this wall. So painting of wall means you have to find the area without this door, because we are not painting this door. So this much area we have to discard from the total area. So what we have to do? Painting of the wall has to be done excluding the area of the door. So area of the door is equal to what? L into B. Dimension is given, length 3 meter, breadth 2 meter. So what is the answer? 6 meter square. Now what is the area of wall including door? That is side into side, because this is your square. So that is 10 meter into 10 meter will give you 100 meter square. So we have to discard the area of door from the area of wall including door. So 100 minus 6. What is the answer? 94 meter square. So we know the charge. Labor charges for painting 1 meter square is equal to rupees 2.50. So for 94 meter square, how much? So 2.50 into 94 will give you rupees 235. So this is your first question. Move on to the second question. The area of a rectangular sheet is 500 centimeter square. If the length of the sheet is 25 centimeter, what is its width? Also find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So here we know the total area, that is 500 centimeter square and length. So we want to find the width. So width is equal to what? Total area divided by length. This is the formula. We know that area is equal to what? Area is equal to L into B. We know the length, we know the area. So breadth is equal to what? Area divided by length. You will get the breadth. So let's see the answer. So width is equal to area upon L. 500 upon 25 will give you 20 centimeter. Now we know the length and we know the breadth. So perimeter of sheet is equal to what? 2 into L plus B. Length is 25 and breadth is 20. Do the calculation. 90 centimeter is your answer. Next question. Anu wants to fence the garden in front of her house on 3 sides with lengths 20 meter, 12 meter and 12 meter. Find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. So here we want to find the perimeter. This is the garden. So this side we are not fencing. So we are fencing this side and this side. So first of all we have to find the perimeter. So 20 plus 12 plus 12. What is the perimeter? 44 meter. Now cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. So 1 meter 150 rupees. So 44 meter how much? How many? So 150 into 44 will give you 6,600 rupees. Next question. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth. Which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle? So side of the square is 10 centimeter. So we want to find the total length of the wire, means perimeter of that square wire. So perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side will give you 4 into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 40 centimeter. Now length of the rectangle, length is given 12 centimeter. Let B be the breadth of the rectangle. Total perimeter, now you know this 40 meter is the total perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to length of wire, because the same wire through which we have made the square again rebend and we make the shape of rectangle. So perimeter remains same. Okay, the length of wire remains same. So let's see. The perimeter of rectangle is equal to length of wire, which is equal to 40 centimeter. So 40 is equal to 2L plus B. We know length. So 40 by 2 is equal to 12 plus B. So B is equal to what? 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 centimeter. So now breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. So area of square is 100 centimeter square and area of the rectangle is 96 centimeter square. As we have seen in the previous activity that area and perimeter does not relate with each other. If perimeter increase doesn't mean area also increase. Okay. So the square enclose more area even though its perimeter is the same as that of the rectangle. It doesn't affect the area. Though the perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle both are same, but the area will be different. Next question. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal if the side of the square is 40 cm and breadth of the rectangle is 25 cm. Find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. We know the area side square 40 into 40 will give you 1600 cm square. So it is given that the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the square. Both the areas are equal. So area of square is also 1600 centimeters square. And breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeters. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. 1600 is equal to L into 25. So what is the length? Length is equal to 64. So perimeter is equal to what? 2L plus B. Substitute the value. 178 is your perimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 178 centimeter even though its area is the same as that of the square. So this is some examples which are given in your textbook, solved examples on the basis of area and perimeter. Now we will see in the next video exercise 11.1. Thank you.